Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Kendrick, Technology Interpreters. I guess technically these are the second and third members of the mentorship program. So, but Kenny, shout out to him. He's not here. I want to share this with y'all because this is something that one of my customers, shout out to Sam, but he sent me this. All right, so package number one. Yo, shout out to Sam. Look how professional my boy is. And by the way, he made these with his laser cutter. Okay. Yo, this is freaking amazing. So this is what he made for me. And I like the fact that he gave me this too. The quality, this feels amazing. He did a freaking remarkable job putting this together. So big shout out to Sam. He waited a long time. He always asked me, did I have it yet? Hooks on it already. Sam, thank you, man. Maybe he'll start selling this one day. So if you're interested, I'll definitely share his information if he gives me permission. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be back next video with some more cybersecurity stuff.